Hi everybody! Grabe ang init. So we are here now in Special. I'm gonna show you. So I'm going to buy a washing machine for my mom. And I'm going to buy a Samsung washing machine. So actually I have a front door washing machine in Cavite. So I'm not going to buy a front door washing machine because I'm going to send that washing machine from Cavite here in Mindanao. So I'm gonna buy this one for my mother's key. And that's the friend of my mother.
Siya may mabayad ko, dili ako.
Unsa man na, mother? Hello, mother's key. What can I do for you?
Friday.
Gamito ng ngalan ni Tito. Paid na. Iyahamang pangalan. Pero ako ang magbayad. Okay, sige, oo. Sa iya lang para same record. Pwede gihapon ngalan ako kung important. Naaman ko sa Manila, good. Okay, si Tito na lang, mother. Okay. Salamat, motherski.
Friday man daw na, Friday. Okay
No
na.
problem. Oo, mag-down lang ko karon.
Papilapan eh.
Fill up mano, lolo iski, fill up. Mother, ali, video his ako sa akong washing machine nga bag-o. It's mine. So for now, hindi na mahirapan si mother na maglaba. Ayan na, may washing machine na si mother. Reklamador pa naman yan. Okay, reklamo siya. Sige siya glaba sa salina sa aking anak. Si Dina.
Ayan, po siya. Nagpa-video ba? Yan na, reels na niya.
So ayan, yeah, reels na to na mother. So ayan, yung washing na kinuha ko is black. Full black siya. Pwede siya sa comforter. Ayan guys, that is for my mom. A gift to my mom. So here, andito kami. So, yan, nag-check pa gyud ko og TV. So, nag-check pa og TV. So, nag-check ko og TV, Samsung again. Maybe, this one. And this one is Sharp. Actually, si mother kaya nga gikuha nga refrigerator. Mauman ni Sharp, money, paid na. Ayan, mauna iyang giko ang ref. Paid na ang iyahang Sharp. Mother. Where are you, motherski? So, andito na, mag-fill up na si mother.